Hello everyone, welcome to the next session on ANSYS Workbench tutorials. In this session, we will see how to model a double-sided hexagon spanner using Design Modeler of ANSYS Workbench. You can see here that these ends are hexagon. That's what we are going to sketch. Here the dimension of this spanner is given as 8 mm and 10 mm. So I am not taking these values. I am taking some random values and making a hexagon spanner. If you want, you can use these dimensions or any other dimension that you require for your project. We are going to use the geometry option here. So I'll double click on geometry. Next I'll right click and select new design modeler geometry. Units, millimeter, XY plane, look at. I'll go to sketching. First I'll create two circles. I'll give it dimension. Say this is 25 and this is 20. Next I'll draw a connecting line between the two. I will give dimensions to it now. Say this is 6. I'll give this dimension as well. This is 6. Or you can use a symmetry option to make them equal and then give one dimension. That option is also possible. Next I'll make the hexagon inside. So I'll go to draw polygon and on the same center line I'm going to choose a hexagon. This has to be vertical. And then again on the center line and I'll choose so as vertical. Next I'll give dimension to this side and to this side as well. Say this dimension is 9 and this dimension is 8. Let's make it to 7. Next I'm going to use the trim option. So I'll go to modify and trim. I'll remove these circles, edges here. If you see the diagram, it's only this outer portion and the inner one. So this is done. Next I'll go to modeling and I'll go to concept, surface from sketches. So I'm going to choose the sketch 1 and apply and then generate. So it has got some surface now and I also want to give it some thickness. So I'll extrude this surface and say this thickness is approximately 3.5 mm and generate. So that's how your spanner would look like. Now if you want to give some fillet over here, you can go back to your sketching of sketch 1. Here I can go to modify and give fillet. Say it is 2.5 mm. Also I want to give to this, and to this side. So when I go back to modeling, I just need to generate. You can see here some fillet has been generated. So that's how double-sided hexagonal spanner can be made in design modeler of ANSYS Workbench. With this, I end the session. I hope you have understood how to model a double-ended hexagon spanner. If you have any doubts, please write to me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for latest video updates. See you in the next session. Thank you.